Hello again, welcome to another video, and just like to show you my Discovery 3 finished in the silver. Lovely looking vehicle, got some nice upgrades. Rear lights have been upgraded to the later type rear lights. Nice alloys with the proper Pirelli Scorpion tyres on. Upgraded mirror heads, just make it look a bit more chunky, and upgraded grille, and also got the washer jet covers. I've replaced the front fog lights as well because they were a bit tatty, so those are new. Like I say, very nice looking car. Black leather interior, electric adjustable seats. Got the rubber mats which you need if you're going to be working it. Took the centre headrest out because it just gives you a better view out the rear view mirror while you're going along. Massive load area. Got the 7 seats as well, the rear seats disappear into the floor area there if you need them. It's also got the rollback load cover. Spare wheel lives underneath. It's got the proper farmer's tow bar, ideal for towing, probably one of the best towing vehicles I've ever used. Just a little bit of damage on the bumper there, nothing too serious. Tows really well. All nice in the bodywork. Just had a full service and MOT, so ready to go. Automatic lighting. There's 2 remote keys with it. Seats are all in good nick. Heated seats with the armrests. Let's have a start up. $149,000. I've fitted this DAB radio kit. I don't know if you can see the display on it. That's it there. You can take that out if you want. 4x4 info on the display, or you can have the sat nav on the display if you want. Touch screen. Using the auxiliary input at the moment, obviously got the FM radio input as well, and also the CD changer. It's a multi-disc changer there as well. Automatic transmission. Got the special terrain options there, ride height there, useful storage, the emergency Twix, you never know when you might need one of those. It's got the book pack with it, with all the service history. Like I say, it's just had a full service, all the filters, and just had a new MOT. Cruise control, I find that's very useful when you're towing. And it's got Bluetooth controls there for the Bluetooth on the side there as well. So yeah, adjustable steering column as well, it's electric adjustable as well. So yeah, if you're looking for a good Disco 3 with no issues, drives really nice, will do whatever whatever towing tasks you need, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.